Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back again with the XR8. In this video, we're going to change the spark plugs on the big Boss V8. Alrighty, so the motor we're working on today is Ford's modular 5.4 litre V8, obviously the quad cam model, because that's what Australia decided to do in their XR8 models. So this job should be the same through BA through to FG, anything that has a 5.4 quad cam. And yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so getting into the parts we're going to use, we're going to chuck in some Autolite double platinums. We usually go for iridiums, but we're going to chuck nitrous on this V8, so I've had better luck using platinums. That's probably the best I'm going to get outside of iridiums. And tools we're going to use, I like to have a few different extensions for, you know, if you have to get into different spots. You've got your 5/8 spark plug socket. And I haven't done this job before, so we're just going to have a crack at it together, work our way through it. But any things I see possibly being an issue for room, obviously the airbox is going to have to come out, possibility that the throttle body has to come off, but we have to wait and see once we get in there. And the radiator overflow is probably going to have to get unbolted and just moved out the way. But apart from that, it shouldn't be too bad. Also, after we've done the spark plugs, we're going to take that box out and we're going to replace the cheap filter in there for a nice ants one. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we've removed the air intake down there, which has opened up all the room there. Now on the two bolts there was one there and one there. It was a 13mm ringy and a 13mm socket to get that cover off. Now for space to change them, it's looking like we should have enough room. So how I'd go about doing this so you don't get anything mixed up is you just do one at a time. So we'll work our way, we'll pull out these just pull out. They should just, yep, just like that. You unplug the tab there and we'll change one over and we'll do the whole four, and then we'll move on to the other side. If I have to take off the throttle body, we'll pull up and do that too. Let's get back into it. So we've got the right hand side done. You can see they're all back in there now. I like these clips, these are pretty cool. As you can see, all you do is you give them a little pull, and then when you want to do them back up, they just clip back up, and then they stay on. They actually clip back on. That's pretty good. I like them. Also the cover up here, that holds all the coil packs down. But yeah, all the extensions we used, and we managed to do it without actually pulling off the throttle body. So pretty happy with that. That was probably going to be the hardest side. Probably time to move on. We'll remove the radiator overflow, and that should give us some room to do the other side. Well, all the spark plugs are in. Nothing really to note as far as any hiccups. We just had to do the 10 mils. He is so loud, man. Just the two 10 mils here on the radiator overflow, and move that out the way. You just swing it around the bottom here, and you got the room to get that side. And yeah, wasn't too bad at all. And so the last thing we've got to do is, we've got this cheap filter in here. We're going to replace it with the ants one. So we'll just chuck that back in, and then we'll start her up. And there we have it. Intake's in. Everything's all back together. Glad we changed the plugs in that, because we've got these crusty old Motorcraft Platinums. So it was actually an upgrade to put the double platinums in it. I was thinking I was probably going to bring out iridiums when I pulled these out, but yeah, they're old, so it definitely should be a good upgrade for this, so we'll start her up and see if everything went well. There you have it. Purring like a kitten. Sounds like it's all good. Awesome. So that wasn't too bad at all. I hope that helps anyone who needs to change their spark plugs on this engine. We'll keep working on this beast. Till the next one. See you later.